In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add keyframes in Filmora to animate your video clip. Let's say you have two clips, one on top of the other, and you want to animate the top clip to scale down and move into a corner. First, select the top clip, go to the Video tab, then Basic, and click on the diamond icon to add a keyframe for scale. Make sure the lock icon next to the scale values is enabled to scale proportionally. Now move the playhead to where you want the animation to end. Then reduce the scale, for example, bring it down to 50%. When you play it back, the video smoothly scales down. You can also adjust the speed of the animation by dragging the keyframes closer or further apart on the timeline. To animate the position, go back to the point where you want that animation to begin. Click the diamond icon next to position, then move the playhead to the end and drag the video to a corner of the screen. Now when you play it back, the video scales down and slides into the corner, all using keyframes. That's how simple it is to animate your clips using keyframes in Filmora. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.